Surgery is the long road to losing weight. When I hear women say I should just get surgery to lose this weight because I just want to have that body, I just want to get those curves, whether it's lipo, whether it's a BBL, tummy tuck, whatever it is, surgery is the long road to successfully losing weight. Why? Any surgery is going to require you to have 4 to 8 weeks of recovery time. So during that recovery, what are you doing to actually be in shape? Nothing. Usually you're not doing anything for 4 to 8 weeks. You're not really moving. You're still eating the same kind of diet. Now it's going to take you about 4 to 8 weeks before you start to feel good about that surgery that you just had. Number two, the cost of surgery. Some people are paying $10,000, $20,000 for surgery. Number three, how are you going to keep up the results? So you have spent all of this money to get this surgery so that you can look great. But how are you going to keep up the results? Are you going to keep on having surgery in order to have a smaller stomach and a bigger booty? Or are you actually going to do the work to maintain it? Also, surgery is extremely dangerous. I've seen people go to other countries to have surgery because it's usually a little bit more cost effective. Now they have to come back to the US. They have to find a doctor that's going to take care of their post-op recovery. But then they also put themselves at risk for all of the things that comes along with having a cheaper surgery. And I'm not throwing shade at anybody who has done this. I'm just saying it's extremely dangerous and it's a long road to recovery. So now you have to deal with potential infection from having a surgical incision, potentially having to get more surgery to repair what the other surgeon has done during that procedure. Ladies, I'm pleading with you here. No shade. I understand people want to get surgery because it seems like the fastest way to get the results that you want to get from a physical perspective. But getting surgery comes with a lot of risk, a long road to recovery. Potentially having poor surgical outcomes means you have to go back to the operating room to get more surgery. So that's more time that you are spending recovering from this. The shortest way to actually being successful and getting that body that you want, learn how to eat and learn how to do the right exercises. You don't have to kill yourself in the gym to get real results. Figure out your diet, figure out your exercise routine, and stop contemplating surgery because there is no short-term way to actually getting real results.